Okay, so today's tutorial, we're going to introduce the reveal image and the reveal text. So this is our reveal tools. Reveal tool will show the student some additional information or an additional um, tool or something extra after the response is submitted, or after some other kind of interaction. So let me explain what that looks like. So for this question, it's asking, which is the biggest river in China, right? Once the student chooses a response, when they hit submit, then they get additional information here. Picture of the Yangtze River and some information about the river, right? So the text is revealed, the image is revealed. And so that's what I was talking about is when they interact with the app a certain kind of way, then the reveal happens. In this case, the interaction is submitting the answer, submitting their response to get an answer, right? So we're going to recreate this question today. So let's get started. Let's go over to Compose Quiz, and we're going to make a new question, open up our notes, and we're going to go to Directions. We're going to open up a header, and our directions and our question problem are pretty much combined into one today. So, right, so the question and slash directions is which one is the biggest river. So that's going to be combined into one today. And then we have some additional information that's part of the question, sort of adds extra context after the student submits the response. For that, we're going to use two things, a reveal text, a reveal image. So we're going to go down to our reveal image and bring in our URL, paste, save, and then we're going to bring in reveal text. Reveal text, reveal text, here it is, and paste, and save. And we're going to preview. Okay, there we go. So that looks good. Font size looks all right. And then we got to bring in our response. We're going to have 4 images in a grid, so we're going to use our multi-choice grid. So this is our response tool. So good thing about our response, some of our response tools is they give you a title name automatically. So it saves you a little bit of trouble having to type the title out yourself. And there. So we're going to save that. And okay, that looks good. We should probably put the titles yeah, we should probably use the title so people know what these are. Yep. And then the correct answer, we'll do the answer portion now. Yangtze, here, correct, save. So now that our quiz is all built, we can test it. Right? Select one, I'll select the wrong one, Yellow River. And we see the reveal happen, and it gives us the correct answer. And we're all done. So that's how you use reveal text and reveal image. Thank you for watching. It's the end of the tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.